Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia Lene and I am back with another video, but today we're going to be doing a review on some products that I got from a particular place, and y'all are gonna know where I got these stuff from in just a little bit. Let's go to the video.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am literally in town, but I kind of can't wait to unbox this package. I have purchased from this company before, but I stopped my subscription and now I decide to continue my subscription. So let me turn the car back on and put on some air because the car is very hot. So I stopped my subscription before and then I decided to start back the subscription, and I'm very excited because I have been waiting for this package. And if you guys want to know why I'm so dressed up, is because I am going to a panel discussion for creators. So yeah, my country is starting to take the creative economy very seriously. So they have a panel discussion that will basically detail, how they plan to go about certain things. So back to the package. I am talking about Ipsy. So I finally got my Ipsy package and I'm so excited to open it, and I decide that I'm gonna open it for you guys to see. So you all are gonna see me open this. You're gonna see my reaction to the products the same time. I haven't opened this before. I just opened the package and I am hiding my address. So yeah. Okay. So there's another package within the package. So let me open this one. Discover yourself, Ipsy. That's what it says. I'm not sure if you guys can see. No, I am in town. That's how eager I am to see what's inside here. So I am in town and there's this lady just staring at me, but that's okay. So I would recommend Ipsy. Now, if you guys know, I am a certified makeup artist, so I think Ipsy is good for me in terms of me keeping my makeup kit as current as possible. One, two, it is also good for persons who want to get into makeup. So here's the little pouch that they sent me, and I'm gonna open it for the first time. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my bag. So I got this, which is a Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, and I think most of the stuff, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's a glare right now because I'm literally in the sun. So that's one of the products. And next one, this is a lip gloss or lip gloss. It says Mystic Liquid Lipstick. So that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, the sun is coming in. Okay, they have this package like this. Let me open it and see what it is. No, with Ipsy, they tell you what's in the bag, okay? But I don't remember. I really don't remember. So this is what it looks like. And now you can see it's a blush or a shimmer. It's a nice smell. I like it. This one is a goat milk hand cream for dry hands. So this is what it looks like. So that's a hand cream. Hi. Okay, so this is Bright Wave Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. And that is what it looks like. Let me take it off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. I know everybody is just literally looking into the vehicle right now while I'm doing this, wondering what I'm doing. Okay, someone is about to talk to me. Let's hear what they say. Hi.
Yeah, you doing a wonderful job. Look at it.
Thank you.
It's so healthy and sweet and nice and wonderful. How the Barbie, we get yeah, everything like that, What's it, they say what's ever going on the horseback, going on the bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe one of these days, you might be able to show me how to get to be so cute.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Jesse. Jesse, I have to be here. Jesse, not coming down. You okay, otherwise?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, I love you, though.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm broke, so if you want to give me anything,
I know it. I know.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking out what's in the bigger package, and I have this bag. I think this was given to me for free because I start back with Ipsy, so this is actually my free package. So it's the refreshment 5-blade razor kit, right? That's what it is. So all the ladies, summer is coming up and you gotta keep yourself looking very smooth. Oh my gosh. It is in my favorite color. This stuff came out, but here are the razor blades, and if you know me, I am a purple girl. I am a purple girl. So wow. And here's the thingy, the suction cup thingy to stick in your bathroom so your razor can hang in your bathroom. This is so cool. Yes, guys, so I would recommend for you guys to go and sign up with Ipsy and get your makeup, you have to take a quiz and everything. So I really do recommend it. I don't have a coupon code or anything for you guys because this is not sponsored, but I recommend it for persons who are very much into makeup and want products for the low. I got, I think, 4 or 5 products. 4 or 5, 5 products for $13 US. I mean, these are travel size products, but they can still work. So $13 a month for Ipsy. You can't lose, especially if you know you're going to be using them. You definitely can't lose. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Yes, guys, I'm about to go to the meeting session, and I hope I have fun. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys. Bye.